Hi guys, so I thought I'd start all my videos with an everyday makeup tutorial for you. This is just what I like to do when I'm running out of the door for class or work. So starting with the Benefit Professional Primer, I'm applying that to the sides of my nose, under my eyes, my forehead, and my chin to reduce the look of pores in that area. For my foundation, I'm going to be using the NARS All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation, and I'm going to apply that straight to my skin, just straight from the pump. That's what works best for me, but you can do whatever works best for you. And I'm going to be taking this angled blush brush by Julep to buff in my foundation. I am so in love with this brush. I highly suggest checking it out. It really reminds me of the Real Techniques foundation brush. It just makes my skin look so smooth and flawless. I absolutely love using this brush with this foundation and pretty much all my foundations. I absolutely just love this brush. Using the Naked Skin Weightless Concealer in Fair Neutral, I'm just going to be putting that under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, my chin, and my forehead. I'm going to be blending that out with my foundation brush again in all the areas, just kind of buffing that around the general area I've applied it. And I'm also going to be putting it over my eyelids, kind of using the concealer, what's left on the brush from buffing, on my eyelids, just to prime them for the little bit of shadow we're going to put on. Then using my favorite bronzer, the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula, I'm going to be applying that where you'd normally apply your contour or bronzer with a number 113 brush by Sonia Kashuk. This is just an angled fluffy brush. I love using this for my bronzer and contours. So I'm just going to apply that to the face, warm it up a little bit. My blush is by Pixi in the shade Beach Rose, and I'm going to be using a fluffy blush brush to apply this. This brush was actually gifted to me from a family member when they went to Germany. It's handmade and hand painted, and I absolutely love this brush. I'm also going to be taking my foundation brush again and just going over where I put the blush to mute it a little more. Then going in with highlighter. This is the highlighter by Tarte and Expose, and I'm going to be using a Luxie 660 Precision Foundation brush to apply this just to the high points of my cheeks, my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, and just under my eyebrow. I find I have no words to say about this highlighter. I am so in love with it. It's just so dewy and wet looking, and it's the perfect shade for my skin. I'm so in love. Anyways, moving on to brows, I'm going to use my absolute favorite brow pencil. This is the Sephora Retractable Brow Pencil in Auburn. It's the waterproof version, and I find this pencil is just so super fine, and it's waterproof. This will not budge all day. It is absolutely amazing. So I'm just going to draw in my brows where it's sparse in certain areas, and then on the other end I'm going to use the little kind of brush that comes with it to brush out my brows. So just filling in both brows with that. Next, I'm using the Dirty Little Secrets Cosmetics eyeshadow in Teaser with a fluffy eyeshadow brush by Julep. This is my favorite eyeshadow. It's this really kind of terracotta, orangey brown color. I really like it. I put it all over the lid and buff it into the crease. If you watch Vintage or Tacky, you'll use the term rocket in the socket. And next I'm going to be tightlining my eyes with the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Perversion. I'm just going to tightline so my lashes look a little fuller for when I put on mascara. So moving on to mascara, I'm using the Roller Lash by Benefit. And then the lipstick is Pink Plaid by MAC, and to top it off, I used the Dirty Little Secrets Cosmetic Lip Gloss in Nude Beach, and I absolutely love this look. This is my favorite go-to look. I absolutely love it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment down below on what you want to see next. Give this video a